If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make my double fried chicken wings. And that's actually just like the first portion of it. And then we make this beautiful, sweet, tangy, spicy sauce, kind of really sticky to put over them. And between the stickiness and the crunch, I like kid you not, these are incredible. So I really hope you guys check it out. It is a little bit, I don't want to say, time intensive, but it does take some time because you'll be frying them twice. But I'm telling you, it's worth it. So please stick around, check it out. You guys are gonna love it. It's so delicious. Serve it with rice, eat it as an appetizer on its own. Whatever you want, they are worth it. So I hope you guys enjoy.